We all have that tita. Puro post ng, do not judge, do not judge. Pero valedictorian ng chismis sa family reunion. College professor. And so he asked me, preacher ka? Sabi ko, yes po, sometimes I go preach at the feast, ganyan. Bakit? Ano bang tinapos mo? Marketing po, sir. Oh, ba't ka nagtuturo? Marketing ka pala. Ako, I have a PhD in theology. And you know what? Sa loob-loob ko lang, guys, okay? Sa loob-loob ko lang. Ang rebat ko dun sana, you should be thankful. You should thank Jesus today that I have been already changed by the feast. Because if sinabi mo to sa akin nung hindi pa ako nagbabago, talaga naman, sir, talaga, sir. Minsan napapasabi ka na lang, swerte ka bro, mag-feast na ako. Swerte ka sis, ay talaga, makikipagsabunutan ako dito pero hindi, nag-feast na ako eh. Binago na ako ni Lord eh. But that's the sad thing. I have Muslim friends. I have Iglesia ni Cristo friends. I have Protestant friends. And they never once judged my faith. Talagang kapwa katoliko ko pa. Yun ang judge sa akin. And this is why a lot of people love Christ but hate Christians. Barna Group research says that young outsiders of the church, 87% of them see us as judgmental. And 85% of them see Christians as hypocritical. Huwag na tayo lumayo. We all have that tita or that cousin. Puro post ng, do not judge, do not judge. Pero valedictorian ng chismis sa family reunion. Kaya siguro wala pang anak si ganito. Ako, buntis daw si ganyan. Or that tito na meron tattoo na love your neighbor. Pero nung yung staff niya sa bahay, nasunog yung polo niya, grabe niya sigawan. Grabe mag-road rage. Following Jesus is just about one thing. Ask me what? Following Jesus is only about loving your neighbor. John 13, verse 34 to 35. Jesus said, so now I am giving you a new commandment. Love each other just as I have loved you. You should love each other. Your love for one another will prove to the world that you are my disciples. Jesus could have said, if you know the Bible cover to cover, then people will know that you are my disciples. That's important. That's really good. But that's not what Jesus said. Jesus could have said, if you attend the Mass every day, if you pray the Rosary every single day, then people will know that you're my disciples. That's really good. Really, 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 really important. But that's not what Jesus said. What did Jesus say? Your love for one another will prove to the world that you are my disciples.